Good morning, pirates. Welcome to our channel Bank Nifty Zones, and today we are going to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today is 1st of December 2022, and in our last session, in our last review, what we have discussed is Nifty and Bank Nifty had scope. If you check the 30th November 2022's video, we have mentioned that Nifty has scope to go up. Although there might be multiple opinions on of other channels, but we have recommended that Nifty and Bank Nifty have scope to go up. Okay, so before going further, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. Also comment on video if you're watching. If you have any queries about any of this talk, please mention those in the chat box or those in the comment box. So we'll start with Nifty first. So in Nifty, if you are checking, we have already crossed three primaries and we are in the middle of third primary. So there is no chance of coming down because Nifty is still bullish in primary range. The strength is showing bullishness. So now the chances of Nifty to complete the primary run either from this point or from this current low. Okay, so if you are considering this low, Nifty has already covered one of the primary from this low. So if you'd like to expect anything from this point, this could be 267 points move. Okay, but in my Hindi video, I have not covered this point. I have just missed this low. No problem. So there are chances, but when the strength is negative, then and then only there are chances. If the strength is positive, RSI is positive, we can still go upside. So here the chances is to go up again up to this point. There are chances of Nifty to go up till 19 something. So this is 18900, and if you'd like to complete the complete primary run, then it is 19200 something, and after that we can expect 267 points fall. So if you'd like to check what is happening in the secondary trend, so secondary trend is also shown bullish. It is not over consumed. Though 60 80, we never discuss about overbought or oversold region because there are no such regions exist on price. Only those are sold for retailers. Like these are the gimmicks which are sold for retailers. This is the price is in overbought region, oversold region. There is no such limit to the price, no such limit defined by FIS to the price. So we are in third primary and we are ready to complete, I guess, third primary. So this move can extend up to 19200, not in one day, but it will take some time. We'll check what is happening in the minor trend. Minor is also bullish. How to understand minor is bullish? Just from any low, if the price is crossing above 61 points, 61, 62 points, then the minor trend is up and price can go up to 120 points without any hassle. Okay, 120 points definitely. And if price has crossed 120 points, then it can reach to 267 points without any problem. If it is crossing over 267, it can reach to 800 points. That is what the minor primary and secondary trade has the relation. So if we can see both, all the three time frames have RSI above 51, so we have good strength to go up and to complete the target 19200, not in one day but with smaller ranges. At least 120 to 267 points range we can cover that. If we are checking Bank Nifty, what is happening in Bank Nifty? First, we will switch back to the hourly time frame. So in Bank Nifty as well, we are in third primary. The sluggish nature indicates that when the price is reaching to this point, the price has capacity to fall to this and then to this if it is extending. But the initial fall should be of 750 points. Either it is from this point or this point. So if you are checking this, this is making a sideways move. Okay, strength is still bullish. RSI is above 51. You can see in primary. We will check what is happening in secondary. Okay, secondary again it has bounced back. The price bounced back from EM and the RSI strength is also bounced back. So we can also cover a distance upside. 800 points from recent low. How to identify whether it will cover 800 or 750 points upside or not? So from any low, Nifty has a capacity to cover 750 points in uptrend, bullish uptrend. So this is also valid for this point, and this is 750 points. Okay, so if it is crossing above 750 points, then this primary will get completed. If it is not, then we will stuck within the sideways range. So let's see how it goes. Does this capacity to at least cover minor trend? So we need to go to 5 minutes time frame. We need to check the strength become bullish. It was bearish yesterday, but then it become bullish. So someone has forcefully stopped this trend from going down, and maybe it can be a 1% distance from the top, because the price has only capacity to come down to 1%. From whatever point is there, it will have a capacity to come down to maximum 1%, not below that. So that is what has happened. And then if we check, it has also, when crossed about 141 points, then it has a capacity to travel to 1% at least. And if we are crossing about 292 points, then it has a capacity to cross to 750 points upside. So at least 43,600 we can reach, price can reach to this level, because every time frame, all the time frames are bullish. Okay, so let's see what has happened in the price in depth. Okay, so the price has shifted down, then it has taken a breakout, but breakout did not work out. The price again went below, someone has controlled the price, and now the price is also respected this boundary. So price has also respected control, this control, this control. So price has to come out, come above this, then it will reach to first 1x. And if we are not getting any reversal of 140 points within this range, then price can reach to 43,886. That is what our current expectation is from the price. Okay, this is this is in depth. We are daily basis, we are plotting this in depth analysis on index. Okay, and there is also secondary and primary relation. So if you can see from this point, the price has started moving up. It has never went below 750 except this patch. Why this patch? Because it has taken a halt before moving ahead, and that halt went, it is like bow and arrow method. So if whatever level it is going down, it should shoot up. And this is how, when the price is falling, it has a capacity to fall to 42,600, but at the same time it has a capacity to rise to 43,600. So 42,600 and 43,600 best for option sellers. And what we are expecting, we are expecting next first halt at 44,700. Up till that point, everything looks okay, because all the time frames are positive. Along with that, we have also listed out some of these stocks from our scanner, and these stocks, the FIs have again started investing in these stocks. What are these stocks? These stocks are nothing but, these FIs have uh, invested in these stocks in previous 4 quarters, and they have again started investing in this quarter, and the investment amount is bigger than all the previous quarters. That is what the screener we have made, and using this we have found this stock. So we need to find any of these stocks, just go any of these stocks, just check moving average in hourly time frame, set it 137 EMA and RSI. And if you are getting anything near EMA and up from the list, so the price is above near EMA and the stock is present in the list, just you can buy these stocks, the by calculating the quantity which will be given by opportunity window. If you are not aware of opportunity window, just put your comment on the video and get connected to us. I'll be sharing all the logic behind opportunity window to the individual. There are some videos I have created which can help you to understand how we are deploying money with the guidance of FI. So do not worry and keep investing in such stocks where FIs are investing, because they are not investing for 1 to 2%. They are investing for 300 to 400%. And you may get maybe one of these stock which can give you a good amount of compounding. So thank you, Pirates. So I'm done with my analysis. Let's meet tomorrow on 2nd of December. But hopefully this analysis is going to help everyone. Please share this with everyone and do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.